everybody. Dale here with Scrapyard Rescue. We're back today. We're going to try to get a little bit of work done on the GMC here. Today, my excuse me, my goal is to I want to get the headliner started. I need to get it glued up to the roof of the cab in here, and then we'll just have to probably let it sit for a couple days until the glue sets up good, and then I'll try to put that seal around it. From what I understand, putting those seals around is a real nightmare. So we'll see how that goes. So hopefully today I'll be able to get the liner itself up and glued in place and fixed in there so it can dry. And then I got a couple other little things I'm going to do on the truck today. I got a little glitch on the turn signals I got to sort out, and that's about it, really. I'm kind of working my way down to finishing this up. We're having a problem trying to find a front slip yoke to fit the transmission on this truck. Apparently they're obsolete, and I'm really having a hard time finding one. So anybody that watches the video, if you have any idea where to get one, please leave leave a comment down below in the comment section for me, if you can help me out. It's the truck has the hydromatic transmission, the automatic in it, and it's specific GMC. Nothing Chevrolet fits it. It's GMC did their own thing, from what I'm finding out on this transmission. So if you have any clues, anything at all, any information at all would be good. If you would please, leave a comment, I would appreciate it. So I'm going to show you how I'm kind of going to do this headliner here in a second. I'll get the camera inside here and show you, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on that, and hopefully it goes well. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll bring the camera in here just a second. All right, you can see, sort of see, what I've done here is I've just set the headliner up inside here where it's supposed to go, and I bought these little yardsticks at the hardware store the other day to work as some ribs to kind of hold it up instead of, trying to, if I had 5 arms, it'd probably be all right. But so what I'm going to do is, this is just sitting up here. I'm going to pull it down, glue it, let the glue set up for a little bit, and then we'll slide it back up in there and start sticking it to the roof. And you can see those little blocks I got. I'm going to go ahead and stuff a bunch of stuff up in there to kind of hold it in place so I don't have to just stand there and hold it. It says it takes like 30 minutes for the glue to set up, so I can't sit in here with my arms up holding it for a half an hour. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to take this down, glue it, and then we'll put it back in place and see what happens. Okay, guys, we got the headliner in. It's glued up there. Seems to be holding pretty good. You can see I got all the rags in there keeping it tight to the roof of the truck. So I'm gonna hang out for a while and make sure it sticks good. Then probably maybe tomorrow I'll try putting the beading around the edge on. From what I understand, that's going to be a nightmare, but we'll work on it. So it's up, looks pretty good. This is the glue I used. GM or 3M Super 77. Seems to work pretty good. Worked a lot better than the other stuff I had. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pull this dash off here, back it out so I can get in there. I think I got the flasher wired backwards or something. I don't know. When I turn the turn signal on, all 4 of them come on, so I got to redo that. So I'm going to work on that right now while I'm waiting for the glue to set up here, and then we'll go ahead and probably finish up the video then. So just stay tuned. Okay, we got the headliner in. Seems to be sticking okay. I'm just, like I said earlier, I'm going to leave it sit overnight. I'll come back out tomorrow and go ahead and try to get the bead around it to hold, you know, the edges and stuff in, and hopefully that doesn't, you know, go too bad. I still got this glitch with the turn signals. I don't know what's going on with them. I've changed the wiring about 10 times. I'm wondering now if it's something up here on the column that's not quite right. I don't know. I have to keep fiddling around with it and stuff though, but yeah, I don't know what the problem is with that. I'm gonna have to just keep checking stuff out and see what happens. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Just a short video today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would. I would like to get a little subscriber push. I would like to get up to like 400 subscribers here if I could, in the, you know, pretty soon. That'd be kind of nice, and I'm keep working until that 1,000 subscriber goal. And I sure wish gas prices weren't so high. I had some plans for this summer to do some traveling. Go to there's 2 or 3 really big scrapyards I wanted to visit and do some videos and stuff, but I just can't do it with the gas price the way they are. So hopefully they might go down a little bit before, you know, winter or something comes. But anyways, that's it for today. Like I said, please subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments, especially the comments about that slip yoke. If anybody knows anything about one, please let me know. And with that, I'm just going to say goodbye, and I will see you on the next video, and thank you for watching.